Health insurance, it's a massive expense for households, and something like 2 million of us have health insurance. And around this time of year, nearly half of those subscribers would renew their policies. And it's a huge expense, and it's becoming more expensive. In the last year or two, we got rebates during COVID because people weren't going to private hospitals, they weren't using their health insurance, but they are back again doing that, and we're starting to see prices rising again, unfortunately. So it's well worth your while checking out if there's better value to be had out there. And a lot of us are overpaying. We're on old dated plans which are too expensive. Maybe we got a corporate plan years ago and it was great value, but it's not great value anymore because it's gone up in price. And the corporate plans, they tend to be the better ones, but only if you get the new ones. These are plans that are designed for companies that buy health insurance on behalf of their employees. They tend to be cheaper and they tend to have better benefits on them. So they're well worth checking out. Also as well, you may have the kids on the same plan that the adults are on. That's probably too expensive as well. Look at the plans that are out there if you can. Alternatively, just ring up your insurer. Tell them what plan you're on. Give them your number for your plan. Tell them what your budget is and say, look, this is too expensive. You must have something better here. Have you got a corporate plan that might be better? And talk it through with your health insurer. You don't need to go to a different provider. You can just do it all with your own health insurer because they all have lots of plans. There's something like 300 plans in total in the market. So they may have a much better option for you in terms of cost and the benefits you get. Tell them what hospital you'd like to be able to go to, a private hospital, whether you want a private or a semi-private room. Just lay out a few of the things that you would like to have and see what options they come up with to you. And take your time, write it all down and tell them to put it in a letter and send it to you. Do this a couple of weeks before you're due to renew, maybe 2 weeks beforehand, and you will find undoubtedly that you can probably do better than the plan you're on at the moment because you're quite possibly overpaying. An awful lot of people are overpaying. And with it being such a big expense, we really don't want to be overpaying for it. But there are lots of alternative good plans out there. Confusing, yes. Too many plans, yes. Expensive, yes. But a little bit of work can yield very big results for people.